Once upon a time, in a small, quiet town, lived a cheerful little girl named Pollyanna. She had bright eyes, a warm smile, and a heart full of kindness. After her parents passed away, Pollyanna went to live with her Aunt Polly, a woman who was strict and serious. At first, Aunt Polly's big house felt cold and lonely. No laughter, no warmth, just silence. But Pollyanna carried a secret with her, something special her father had taught her. She called it the Glad Game. The Glad Game, she explained, is about finding something to be glad about in every situation. One day, Pollyanna received a package. She opened it, hoping for a beautiful doll, but inside were crutches. Silence. Then, with a gentle chuckle, Pollyanna smiled and said, "I'm glad. I don't need crutches." That simple thought made her smile. And soon she began sharing the Glad Game with everyone. Little by little, Pollyanna's sunshine filled the town. She visited lonely neighbours. She cheered up sick friends. Even Aunt Polly smiled more often. And people began calling Pollyanna the little girl who brought sunshine. But then, something terrible happened.
Pollyanna had an accident, and she couldn't walk.
For the first time, Pollyanna felt hopeless. "How can I play the Glad Game now?" she whispered. When the townspeople heard the news, they came. Neighbours, friends, even strangers. They filled her room with flowers, stories, and love. One woman said, "Pollyanna, because of you, I learned to smile again." Another added, "You taught me to be glad for the little things I have." And even Aunt Polly, "You brought joy into my home, my dear child." Pollyanna's eyes filled with tears. She remembered her own words. "There's always something to be glad about."
She whispered, "I'm glad I have so many friends who care about me."
And slowly, with love and care, Pollyanna grew stronger. Her smile returned, her laughter returned, and her sunshine shone brighter than ever. From that day on, she taught everyone that even in hard times, you can always find a little sunshine if you look for it.